Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 18th of March 2023. So today it's Saturday. We want to take a look at the big picture. Okay, see what is going on with the global market and what is going on with indexes, global indexes, precious metal, also this commodity, energy. So we have an idea what is going on in the market in the global market So Malaysia is not an island that we contain. Everything is contained within our country means we buy sell everything within our country so we do export. Okay, we do a lot of activity overseas, right? Okay, even traders also, investors also, they invest overseas, invest into Malaysia. Okay, so there is a lot of so the global market will affect the local market quite a lot so it's like a ripple people say you throw a rock into the pond, right? The ripple will touch all the other places Also, if US or if some big economy have crisis, all these things sooner or later it will hit you Oh yeah, and also Friday, right? We see a big rebound in the global market, right? We saw that cat bounce in the middle of the week, okay, but then we hear that Credit Suisse problem initially was a US bank, Silvergate, SVB, and this another one was what's the name? Signature Bank, right? Okay, all these on the other two is on the verge of collapse. Silvergate already collapsed, right? So now all the market suddenly rebound due to all these central bankers, Credit Suisse also, right, going to collapse. So we hear all this central bank of all these countries US, Swiss, and all the Europe central banks starting to telling that they are going to support the banking system means whichever bank going to collapse, they're going to bail out like US the Fed already came out say they will bail out, or the other two banks they're going to collapse So market suddenly the crisis has been suppressed Okay, being suppressed means the fear calmed down already So a lot of these US people actually US people actually they took their money out, right, from the small bank and they put it in the bigger bank, big bank, and they buy gold some or buy Bitcoin. That's why you see gold and Bitcoin suddenly big rebound But is it sustainable or not? Okay, this rebound, can we call it a short term? Can we call it a bull market already, or this is just a short term rebound? So we want to take a look Saturday. We want to go through the global market and have an idea of what is going on Okay, before we start so our March this Zoom class whoever already already join this auto profit course my auto profit course okay, so this month the Zoom class will be on 25th okay, 25th for Chinese, 26th on for English 10:30 a.m. both also 10:30 one is Saturday, one is Sunday next week okay, next Saturday and next Sunday okay, Chinese is Saturday, English is Sunday okay, so you have to first you have to finish the 15th video first. Okay, finish watching all the 15 video. Already open your TradingView account. Okay, already set Smart MCDX and Auto Profit Okay, after all this done, only you can then only you join or else if you don't have all this, you haven't touched the chart everything so you go into the Zoom class, you will not understand or you will not understand okay. So take a quick look at the introduction first before we start. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, so one more thing if you want to join the Zoom class make sure you already subscribe to my auto profit course okay, WhatsApp me okay, I will send you the link and the password and the connection and the password so you can join on the next week My number is 018-392-3129 If you want to register for my course also, okay, it's this number, or you can, there's a form at the bottom there at the description area. You fill in the form first okay. So you want to join my auto profit course also, 01839231229. The link is at the bottom there. Okay. Yeah, by the way, there is another reason. Okay, why the global, these are suddenly all the global stock market rebound. Another reason is this Fed, okay, this all these analysts, all the market analysts, all these experts are expecting this Fed is going to slow down the interest rate very fast. Why? Because if they keep on hiking so fast, you see the damage already done. The bank also collapse. Okay, the bank also collapse. Europe and also US. So probably they're going to slow down. They got no choice. They have to slow down the interest rate. Okay, so they expect another hike of 0.25. After 0.25, maybe a pause already. Also, probably they cannot keep the inflation numbers to 0.2 to 2%, which the Fed actually set their target to 2.0. But due to the economy already getting so much damage, okay, so they might want to slow, especially the banking sector. You see, this is just the beginning. Most likely, you see more and more company, more and more organization will be in trouble. Okay, you see the bank bank also, okay, a bank that is enforced by this US regulation, all this, right, in their operation, okay, means they have to meet certain criteria, certain capital value, all these things, right? Also, those are well controlled by the government, also going to collapse. So those without any government control one, you think, how good are they doing, so you have to, so there could be another, they could, if you see, okay, all these big organizations starting to slash, okay, or slash their workforce, starting to report out, very all this bad, giving bad news, okay, giving bad news and bad sentiment, reporting big losses, all these things, okay, and say chapter 11, all this come out, then the market is going to, might dive again, so we have to still continue. We have to be very nimble, very careful, but we go to the chart, we see, okay, we give ourselves how do you call it? We give ourselves an idea. Yeah, this is the right word. An idea. So what is the probability of this will happen, and what is the probability of that will happen? Okay, so let's check out the global market first. Yeah, before we start, subscribe, like, and comment, support the channel. If you think my video helps you in your planning, in your research, okay, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Every day got video. Okay, so if you subscribe, you hit the bell. Every time I do video, you can get the notification. Also, don't forget to press a like and share this with your friend and comment. Yeah, CGS-CIMB, don't forget. Okay, if you want to open an account, you are new to the trading or investing, you want to open an account, they can play Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US stock, okay, US index, ETF, CGS-CIMB, you can try. Okay, this reminder is my friend. So if you there's a link at the bottom there, you click the link. Okay, you click the link, sign, answer a few questions. Okay, which is particulars, your phone number, all these. Then my friend, this reminder from the CGS-CIMB is a certified one. Okay, certified reminder. Okay, will call you up and guide you to open an account online, so you can do it at home, you can do it overseas, everywhere, so no need to go to bank face to face one now. Everything is online. Okay, so let's look at KLSE. I look at the weekly chart. Okay, we want to see long term. Okay, long term, we look at weekly chart. Okay, weekly. Now you can see, right? Now you can see very clear. Daily you can't see very clear. Weekly you can see very clear. A pin bar. Okay, if you got joined my course, you understand. Okay, you got understand what is this. Okay, a pin bar is the bears are pushing the price down, but at the end of the day and the end of the week, they lost out. They got pushed back up by the bulls. Okay, so when a pin bar happen, okay, it tells you that the bulls are stronger. It means the buyers are stronger. For side at the end of the day, at the end of the week, not in the middle of the week, at the end of the week. Okay, so temporarily, okay, this this candlestick tell you it's a bullish sentiment. Okay, take a bullish sentiment. And also we got a gap here, right? We got a gap here. Okay, a gap. So most likely this one will push it back to cover the gap. Is it a bull market yet? Is it a bull market? You ask yourself. You join my course, you know. This is not a bull market. It's still in a downtrend. The downtrend channel has not been broken yet. Okay, so this is still a downtrend. Okay. Let's look at the daily. Daily, I explained yesterday. We got a mother and son, right? The mother and son, but the next day it broke below the mother leg. I said after it broke below the mother's leg, still got one day to save the market lah. Okay, to rectify the problem lah. Which the next day we got a big green candle. Okay, that pushed well up above this candle. Okay, means this one lah, it pushed well up above this candle. Means suddenly there is a big event that changed the momentum. Okay, if it cannot do, if the next day, okay, the candle continue to be at the bottom here. Okay, so this is KO already. If it's a confirmation of this mother and son already broken below. Now this mother and son go back up, so got chance. Okay, got chance. Okay, so now probably it's coming back to here. Is it a bull market yet? You know, it's very simple. I can tell you it's not a bull market yet. First, we got a channel here. Okay, we got a downtrend channel here. Okay, so in order to be a bull market, you need to go through this downtrend channel first. Okay, you need to go through this first. Okay, then only we can call a bull market. Probably a short-term rebound. We call it a short-term rebound. Okay, looks like it's going to be. Looks like it could have a rebound, but you have to see, right? RSI is well below oversold. So when it's oversold, right? Okay, definitely normally there is a small rebound. But if you want to remain long-term rebound, you need to go through 50. Okay, if you join my this course, you will know lah. You need to go through 50. Okay, so probably after you go through 50, it will really go through these two lines. Okay, tentatively we put it at 1450. 1450 around this area lah. Okay, I put it 1450. Easy. Okay, so 1450 will be the point that tells you whether it's a long-term rebound or a short-term rebound only. If it goes through 1450, then we could be heading to a long-term rebound. Okay, market long-term bull market. Okay, so this is the most important, the cross between here, between this downtrend channel and the resistance line. Okay, in the horizontal resistance lines and the downtrend channel. Okay, the cross of this area, so very important. Okay, look at small cap, mid cap. Okay, mid cap, look at weekly. Okay, weekly we got a pin bar, also looks like short term it's going to rebound. Okay, looks good. Okay, for a short term rebound, look at the small cap weekly. Okay, so you see the tail, right? This is not very strong, but we do have a tail. Okay, so there is a potential for a short term rebound. Okay, short term rebound. Okay. For long term, you need to break above this area, maybe 15912 lah. You need to break through first. For mid cap, you need to break through here probably. Okay, 13450. So you need to break through here, then only we can count it as a long term. Okay, so let's look at the big rebounding sector, construction. Okay, construction, we got a big candle coming up, but the problem is, you see, right, there is a resistance line over here. So when it come back to 161 or when it come back to 165 area, okay, we got these two. Okay, when it comes back to this area, okay, this area, okay, which is this resistance line and this, okay, this resistance trend line and this resistance line. Okay, so we come to here will be a big wall here. So whether it can go through, it cannot go through, means it will come back down. If it goes through 165, then maybe the long term rebound is coming. So short term, yes. Long term, we have to wait a bit and see. Consumer is still dropping. Okay, consumer is still dropping, no good. You know lah, the season already finished. Maybe short term rebound, with Hari Raya coming, maybe during the short Hari Raya, because oversold, right? Okay, so there's a potential rebound, but okay, since already broken out of this channel, right? So unless we go back up inside the channel, we still consider it as a downtrend. So consumer finish, probably energy. So energy also actually starting to drop lah. Not so good. You see the green color also more yellow color, red color, so almost no more already. So the energy price has dropped to 60 over for crude oil, so we don't expect it to be very strong. Okay, finance after a big scare, a gap down, maybe potential is coming back here. The problem is, if you want to go higher, you need to go back and break through 15904. Okay, 15904, right, is a very long term, okay, very long term consolidation area. Means that this area, right, after broken through, you want to go back up, it's very difficult. Okay, it's already set. It really become a very strong wall over here. Okay, a wall that is very strong because of long term consolidation. Unless it can pull itself up here, maybe we got a chance for long term rebound. If we cannot, most likely it will get punished, rejected at 15904. Okay, see this one, this consolidation area, right, means this resistance area already. Okay, how long started? Okay, this area, okay, this area started since March, started since March in this consolidation. Okay, that's why you have to take note. This is a very strong area. After it broken through, it's very dangerous. Means it's very difficult to go back in. The longer, the stronger. Okay, healthcare. Okay, healthcare. I told you, healthcare coming back alive. So healthcare now we want to see it goes through 1776. Okay, the important area. Okay, the head and shoulder area. This is the two area that we have to watch. Okay, 1602. Okay, drop below, finish. Okay, goes above 1776 means it got chance to go through. If it cannot it cannot go above, cannot go below, means it will be consolidating sideways for longer term. Why consolidating sideways? Because this glove glove stock, top glove, all this still losing money Whatever now people jump in as speculators, they speculate, probably they speculate. They are these are glove company is going to return to the green or return to black or you call it means they are going to start to make profit maybe early next year, okay, or end of this year. Speculators, they are half a year. They position in probably half a year before the actual result come out. Means let's say end of the year, by December, right? They expect this glove to make profit. Okay, so we know December it might the glove, this investor will start to pile into the glove, right? When they see, okay, all black color means they are making profit, right? They start to pile. But a lot of speculator, they already jump in half a year earlier. That's why I told you, speculators, they are always early to the market. But is it guaranteed it will go up? Nobody know. But now we have a chart. We know that the important area 1602 and 1776. Okay, these are the areas you need to watch. Okay, industry. Okay, industry really hit bottom channel, so there is a chance for it to rebound. But you look at it, the green color so much, reach almost 75%. So probably just a short-term rebound, so we don't see very strong. Even though all those we see up 2%, 1%, 2% rebound on Friday, but for now we can't call it a bull market. Okay, like plantation also start to rebound, but you have to see 6948 and 7092. These are the two very strong resistance areas that you need to break through. Once we break through these two, then maybe we can call it a longer term. Now maybe just a short term. Okay, because why? Because 6948, you see how many times? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, it cannot go through. Okay, so most likely it might reach here, it might get jammed again. Okay, so we have to watch all this now. Short term only. Property drop below. Okay, already drop below. This consolidation doesn't look very good. It got some support at 665, but it doesn't look good for now. Rate. Okay, rate dropped so long. Okay, RSI overbought, slightly overbought, so oversold. So there are some rebound. Normally, some rebound will happen here after that. But we have to wait and see a bit of how far that this one can go REAT. But for now, it dropped quite low below this. There's a support. There's a support line here so. REIT one thing we are not very keen because it really dropped back into the channel. The best is need to rebound above the channel. So if it goes back above the channel, maybe got chance again. technology doesn't look good lah. Technology today it already broken through this 63. We told you already broken through 63. So this also looks a little bit alike, right, head and shoulder, right? So if it comes back to 63, it cannot go through, come back down, okay, means it come back down to like 57 already, and no red color momentum. RSI also almost oversold, so this is not so good, okay, despite 0.69% rebound. Telco also 603. We have to watch 603. You need to go through and sustain above 603. Only we maybe get a long term double bottom, a long term rebound from the double bottom to this area, 648. Transportation, okay, transportation is still coming down within this channel. So until it broke above this channel, right? So we are still calling it a correction. Okay, means it's still dropping lah. Okay, no doubt all got rebound lah, but could be just one day play. You have to be careful. Utilities also broken this trend line, right? Utilities also it got rejected at 898, 882. Okay, this area, so probably it's coming down already. It's coming back down already. Now you see the red color momentum, also banker momentum also receding lah. Okay, keep on coming back down. Okay, so this is not so good. So for now, what we can see probably only a short-term rebound until it show that KLCI show that it can break to 1450. Okay, then we can call it, maybe then we can call it a long-term bull market coming, or else we are seeing this as a short-term rebound. Okay, probably another longer-term dead cat bounce because now we just starting to feel the effect of the high interest rate so we don't know how many more crises is coming the bank really show you the first one okay, so we have to don't think that this is a more big chance to pile in okay. Look at the global index, look at DXY, look at the US dollar, how strong is it? So US dollar actually is sideways around here, so US dollar is not KO yet, okay, it's just sideways, okay, sideways between here and here, okay. So US dollar we have to see, okay, if you know a bit about forex, okay. Okay, so these are the two areas that we need to take note. Okay. So if it managed to break above 105, okay, bull market coming for the DXY means bad for the stock market. The US dollar is going up, the stock market most probably is coming down, okay. But now if it dropped below 103, okay, means the US dollar is weakening again, means the stock market got chance to go lah. Okay, look at Australia. Wow, Australia still very bearish. Okay, Australia, look at a global index. Australia is still very bearish. Okay, SPI still very bearish. Bearish engulfing. Looks like it want to drop. Look at Japan. Japan just consolidating sideways for long term. Now also start a smaller consolidation happening, so it's neutral. So look at FTSE. FTSE also continue drop. Bearish engulfing, so FTSE also starting to drop again. Look at the DAX. Okay, DAX also bearish engulfing, also looks like also not the big rebound that everybody thought is happening. Okay, US Nasdaq on Friday almost hit. There's a resistance over here. Okay, almost not even hit, not even near the resistance area, already being sell down. Okay, 12794 so there is some pressure here. We want to see it goes through 12794, probably we got a long-term rebound, else it might get suppressed over here and come back down. But now not very strong on Friday, we can't see, just a small consolidation. S&P also dropped, actually Friday dropped, S&P also dropped 1%, right, 1.1. Okay, S&P also dropped 1.1, so it actually dropped below this channel also. Okay, it's a long-term channel, short-term, so we got support over here. So it's not KO yet, but the problem is what? Okay, the problem is this support line, right? It broken through. There's a problem. So now for S&P, you have to see 3800, 3806 and 4077. Okay, if it can go above, means probably a strong bull market coming. If it drop below, then maybe KO. Look at Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones is not a good picture, right? Okay, Dow Jones also dropped on Friday. Okay, so it's just probably a one-day play. If US and Europe, right, also dropping. You see a big drop of 1.9% for FTSE, 1.7 for DAX. You know, US Nasdaq dropped 0.5, S&P 1.1. Dow Jones 1.3. So the market has not really recovered. Only one day play only. Okay, so you have to take note. You have to take note. So it's not like the long term bull market happening. Okay, it doesn't look like the long term bull market, but Bitcoin very strong. Bitcoin broken through 24,000. Okay, so it's starting to cross. Okay, my 89 moving average and this 200 is going to cross. So this is the final puzzle that after it cross, most likely the bull market coming for Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin, as I said right last time, okay, I really hope it to drop lower. I really hope it to drop lower, but it did not. So you want to go over here. So of course we don't buy here, already overbought. Okay, so we wait for it should come to 28,000. The next resistance over here. Okay, it should come to here. Okay, how I would do it, I will tell you how I would do. Okay, I'm not saying necessarily this is not an investment advice. I'm not necessarily saying I'm right but how I would do it is already overbought. I know it already broken through. So the next RSI, okay, the next retracement of the RSI to the 50 area, okay, the next retracement RSI to the 50 area, most likely you will get rejected by 28 or 31,000, which is the too high over here. Okay. Okay, these are 28, I think 28. Okay, most likely you will get rejected by at around 28,000. Okay, you will have a retracement, retest, then go up again. Most likely I will look for if I want to continue to average in, not here, average in here. Okay, on the retracement. Okay, on a breakout and a retracement. Okay, I'm not saying it must happen like this. It might go through. Okay, go through 28 and 31, come back and retrace and retest 28. Then we have to go for here. There's no choice. There's no choice. You want to go in here also, it's okay, but for me, I don't do like that. I want to wait for normally I want to wait for because I told you, right, I will position one position over here, around 21, so I already position in. If it drop lower, I will also, 10,000, I will also position in. That's why we don't know where is the bottom, so we need to position a few positions, okay, a few entry, okay, leave some here, okay, one here, okay, I told you, right, one here. If it drop lower, or if it drop lower here, okay. If it goes higher, then no choice. If it go higher, then we have to put one more position here, okay, at 28, okay. So for it to long term go up, we average in because we don't know where is the bottom, and don't think that this Bitcoin, okay, it's going to fly from now, because we don't know there's another crash or whatever crash coming in, okay. So you look at this, right. This is not a very good sign also, right? You have to know, okay. So this is what we call a widening wedge, okay, which is not very good. Normally, after widening wedge consolidation, is a drop, so you have to take note. Unless you go to 28, then it's different story. Then it's different story. Also, you have to take note. Look at that's why we have to average in at a few places, because Bitcoin, Ethereum very very volatile. Okay, so it can happen. One bad news, it can boom, fly back to 1152, like this Ethereum. You see, this pattern is not a pattern that I am very happy looking at, okay, this pattern, okay, this pattern normally shows you the market has a weakness, okay. A good rebound is like that, okay. A retracing flag pattern, okay, bull flag we call it. This could be a bull flag, This could be a blue flag. So if you put it as a blue flag, potential, yeah, it's still it's going like Ethereum, okay, and this Bitcoin also, okay. So the pattern is not very clear but if this one is blue flag, okay, so this one definitely is going back up, okay, to the 31,000 area okay. If we come back to 31,000 area or this area 38, 31, any retracement back, we are going to look for the opportunity okay. Litecoin, okay, Litecoin also coming back, okay. Litecoin I drawn another trend line here. There's one more trend line at the bottom here, okay. So actually supported by this trend line so Litecoin, as long as stay above this is okay this one 67 okay. So now looks good for now. Look at the metal. Aluminium still down aluminium still down, still on its way down, so no good. Look at steel, okay, steel also on its way down, no good. Steel home, okay, China steel price going up okay, but the steel index is not going up. Look at China industrial metal look at industrial metal. This chart slowed down quite a lot. I don't know what happened okay, industrial metal is coming down okay. Okay, so industrial metal actually is not doing well, okay, it's coming down okay, it's coming down okay. So steel, we don't see a big chance to rebound. Aluminium, no, we don't see it yet. Okay, look at CPO, not good. Okay, coming back to test 3,853. Look at the global, these are palm oil futures are also not very good. Maybe we get a rebound over here, okay, at 3,553. Maybe we can rebound, but it's not strong. Copper, okay, copper broken out from the support line. This is not good. Okay, so copper actually is making a downtrend channel already. You have to take note. Okay. Copper doesn't look good also. Look at gold. Gold very strong. Wow. Gold 196. I told you, okay, 1,008 could very much be the lowest point for gold. Okay. So it's flying again. It's flying again. Okay. Silver also flying. Silver also flying. Okay. Silver also flying 22.59 already. Okay, so the precious metal is flying. Silver also start to fly already. So take note. Okay, so gold is flying. Okay, overbought, maybe potential retracement a bit. Come back to this line. So gold, right? Okay, gold. If you want to buy gold, best wait for the retracement back to this line. Okay, draw yourself a trend line over here. Okay, so wait, now it's a bit too high to buy overbought. So probably we will wait for a drop towards around 1,850. Okay. To add in again, to buy in. Okay, so this one, so finally, the silver starting to pump. Okay, silver, red color momentum coming, so silver probably, okay, the chance is here. Okay, we got a uptrend channel. As long as stay above this channel, is okay. If we drop below this channel, maybe dangerous. You see this channel, okay, this channel, okay. So as long as stay above this channel, I think it's coming back to 25. If we can break through this channel, okay, then it got chance to slowly going back up. Okay, so finally we waited for the this silver for so long. Finally it's coming. Okay, so look at oil, look at crude oil. Crude oil dropping. So crude oil nothing much to talk about. As I said, I told you, crude oil 65, 65 is a very good bottom here. Okay, 65.8, it cannot drop any lower. Now it's 66.72. If it drop below 65, then the oil could be dropped a lot more lower. So now the bulls are trying to buyers will try to defend the 65.8 area. Okay. Most slightly, this slightly it cannot break through. If you break through, then trouble. Okay, trouble for the oil. Okay, look at US stock, Apple. Okay, Apple still holding at 155. Okay, you try to break through, still cannot break through, but looks good for it to got a chance. It's trying to break through. We want to see if we can go through 155, 169 is coming. But now short term looks okay. AMD very strong, broken through the top already. Broken through the top, so AMD probably is flying up. So now suddenly the tech stock look quite strong. Okay, AMD looks like flying to 158, 105. Okay, Amazon got nothing much, minor rebound. Alibaba is still dropping, cannot. Okay, Google. Okay, Google starting to rebound at the bottom channel, looks good, going to 104, even higher also, 104, even higher to the top channel. Looks good. Okay, looks good for now. Grab still nothing, going down. Intel. Okay, Intel is trying to break through 30. If it can go through 30, means it got a chance to go up again. So now it's trying hard to rebound. Maybe Intel will reach a bottom at 24. Okay, a bottom. So if it goes above 30, means it's on its road to recovery. Facebook. Okay, Facebook. After all those layoff story, so it's still going up, but we got divergence already. Means it's very difficult already. Now we got divergence. Okay. So a bit difficult. Microsoft broken through. Okay, so US market looks quite good. Okay, Malaysia we don't see yet, but US we see it. Okay, double bottom, very broken through. So looks good for US for recovery, rebound. Nvidia very strong. Nvidia we're looking at to go to 270, the head and shoulder. So almost reached already the target. Tesla. Okay, Tesla is still consolidating this support. They support at 180. Now it's coming back up. So it's still got a chance to rebound. Okay, now head and shoulder here already. Okay, the left shoulder now is 207. If you can go to 207, means it's on its way up. Okay, means it's on its way up. It got a head and shoulder over here. So it's on its way up to the top channel. Zoom still nothing. Visa is dropping. Visa, Visa related to finance, so you don't expect it to do very well. City dropping, boom, head and shoulder tak jadi, went up, come back down, finish. Morgan Stanley, boom, flying down. Okay, got support here, don't touch all these finance stock. Goldman Sachs, boom, flying, dropping like a rock. JP Morgan dropping like a rock. Okay, the stock goes up, follow the staircase, drop through the window. I told you. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Want to join the Zoom class? Okay, if you haven't joined my auto profit course, do remember to subscribe. Okay, my number is 018-392-3129. 392-3129. Okay, if you want to join the Zoom class, okay, WhatsApp me 018-392-3129. Okay, so I want to join the Zoom class. So I will send you next week. I will send you the link. Okay, talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.